What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make the screen extra bright during a video playback in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down to the end and here click on video brightness. Here you have two options, normal and bright. So if you want to make your screen extra bright during video playback, then select bright and then you can enable or disable the brightness in video player, YouTube or TikTok. So that's how you can make the screen extra bright during a video playback in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.